Hello guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a chat folder on Telegram. Once you're in Telegram, click the three lines on the upper left hand side, then click on your profile picture there. Scroll down to where it says chat folders, click on that, and here you'll be able to create a chat folder. Simply click on that plus button to create a folder here. You can give this folder a name, so you can call this one whatever. I'm going to call this one my friends, for example. And here you can also include chat if you want to, right? You can also go ahead and choose a color for the folder. So let me go ahead and choose, for example, this color here. Keep in mind that certain features, in case the colors, it will require premium edition there. So if you want to use this to change the color, go ahead and upgrade to premium as well. Now, as I said, you can include chats there. So if you want to add a chat, you can click on that and you can choose from within whatever you have to add chats there. So go ahead and you can find those users that you have in your phone or different chat groups or channels you can add towards it. So if I click on channels, for example, I can click on channels here as an example, and you will see that I add channel there. All I have to do is click this check mark here, and you can see that I've added a channel under this folder here. So that's it, guys. Once you're done, you can go ahead and you can click on save, and that's it. You've created a chat folder here. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now, once you're in Telegram again, you will see from the home page that you have all chats, and then you have this folder here that says my friends. If you tap on that section here, you will see that you have that folder here, and all things will be inside that folder that you need to. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.